Hello people, today we'll see how to interface metal touch sensor KY036 with the Arduino Uno board. Basically, this sensor features a KR-S13 Darlington NPN transistor. Basically, a Darlington sensor amplifies the signal of which it is controlled by a comparator which is onboard situated. Let us quickly understand the working principle of the sensor. Basically, the functionality of sensor is divided into three main components. First and foremost is the sensor part, which as indicated by the pointer is the part. Basically measures the area physically and sends an analog signal to the second unit, the amplifier. The amplifier basically amplifies the signal and according to the resistant value of the potentiometer and sends the signal to the analog output of the module. Also, you can increase the sensitivity of the sensor by adjusting this knob. If you rotate it in clockwise direction, you can increase the sensitivity, and if you rotate it in anti-clockwise direction, you can reduce the sensitivity as shown in the diagram. The third component is the comparator. It is the LM390 comparator switches the digital out and LED if the signal falls under a specific value. Let's see its pin diagram. It has basically 4 pins: digital signal, plus VCC, ground and analog signal. We will be using digital signal pin and the VCC and the ground of the sensor to interface it with Arduino. This is the circuit diagram for the sensor interface with the Arduino board. We are going to connect the ground pin with the ground pin, the plus VCC pin with the plus 5 volt of the Arduino, and the DO pin with the pin number 9 of the Arduino. Also, you have to interface your LED in this way in order to avoid any short of the LED, or you can simply connect your LED to the pin number 13 of the Arduino and the ground, which I'll be showing you in a meanwhile in my demo. This is the code that I have used to interface my sensor with the Arduino board, and I'll be uploading this code in order to show you guys the demo. Moving on, these are the references that I have referred in order to interface my sensor with the Arduino board. This is my datasheet that I have provided with, and this is the website that I have basically referred to interface my sensor KY036 with the Arduino board. Now it's time for demo. This is how we'll be interfacing my metal touch sensor with the Uno board, and LED will be connected to the Uno board with the help of a breadboard, and also you can connect a resistor in order to avoid any short. Now we can see that there is a metal touch sensor on which only one onboard LED is glowing. That indicates that my sensor is powered on. Now as soon as it is touched with some metal, I can see my LED glowing and another onboard LED glowing, which detects that my sensor has detected the metal perfectly. And also when you touch it with the hand, you can see the LED glowing and also the onboard LED too glowing. This indicates that the sensor has detected the touch. In this way the metal touch sensor works. This sensor is also called as human touch sensor, and its principle is also used in the mobile touch in our day-to-day life. That's it for this video. Thank you, friends.